Hi everybody, how are you today? Today we're going to look at words with ending consonant sound. Let's look at some examples of words ending with consonant sounds. The first word is cap. Cap. This word ends with the P sound. Next we have the word jam. Jam. The ending consonant sound is or the letter M. Next is the word bus. Bus. Can you hear the ending sound of the word bus? It is the letter S or the S sound. So friends, those were just some examples of words that ends with a consonant sound. We will learn some more words with ending consonant sound during class time. So I'll see you again. Bye.